Hey, it's Clay at claytrader.com. This will be a live trade video where I try to capture some of my trades as they play out live. Real quick, when I say live, what I mean is I'm recording myself in real time, seeing the information, seeing the data for the very first time. In other words, I don't know what's coming next. So to respect your time, if you are looking for a video where somebody's doing a trade recap or talking to with hindsight in their favor, this won't be a video for you. But if you are open to the idea of an unscripted, nitty-gritty look into what it's like to be a day trader and how day trading can play out, I'm confident you'll find value in this video. So I will pause the recording software for now, and I'll be back at market open. I should note that I took a trade in pre-market. Didn't really work out. Well, it worked out a little bit, but not really like anything I had planned. So I am starting the day technically up, right around $28. So just want to get that out there. So I will pause and I'll be back at the open. All right, watching 103.50 as potential short if it comes into play on Tesla. Short meaning making money when prices go down. So for a beginner, yes, believe it or not, you can make money when prices go down. That is known as shorting, going short, and that's what I'm looking to do here on Tesla at 103.50 if it comes into play. So I'll go ahead and pause for now. Okay, gonna look to try to get short here at 104.50. So I have an order out there. Going to go ahead and get short there at 103.95 instead. Looking for this thing to now come back down. Great looking candle there. Just a question of does it want to roll over now? I could be looking to add at 103.50. Oh. Again, 103.50 could be an add point here. Okay, this is looking good. Well, definitely very jumpy. But yeah, loving this candle here that's forming. Just a question of can we get some follow through. Watching at 103.50 again to add another 250 shares. So close enough in there. Added 250, so added to a winner. Now looking for this thing to continue to break down here. So coming down to 103, got that break. Took off half there. Still have 100 shares left. Have 50 shares left. My stop will be, in fact, I'm just going to put in a hard stop. At 104.01. Actually, at this point, it'll be 103.76. At this point, now it'll be 103.27. So at this point, it's not if I make money, just how much money am I going to make, which is a great position to be in. Yep, so now I'm going to go 103.01 stop. So if this thing comes back over 103, then I'll be stopped out. But again, I'm in a very stress-free spot because it's not if I make money, it's how much money am I going to make? And that's a great stress to have. And I stopped out there for $366, so that one worked out fantastic. And I'm glad I added to that one, added to a winner. And turned out just fine. And then let those ones work for me. So there we go. And it's 9:38. So 8 minutes in. Well, no, wait. I take that back because I was up $27, right? So that was more so right around, let's just call it $340. $340 trade. So 8 minutes, $340. And yeah, I probably got a little too tight on that final 50 shares there for that stop loss, because now it's back down to those lows, but that's all right. Okay, I'll go ahead and pause. Let's see what else I can find. And you know what? I'm going to go ahead and just wrap things up. It's 9:41, 11 minutes in, and I'm up, 366 with the commissions. Let's call it $360. And for those of you that are saying, wait, Clay, why are you wrapping it up after 11 minutes? Because I do this as one of many streams of income. So I call it a side hustle because, yeah, I have other streams of income. And if I can put $360 in my pocket after basically 11 minutes, I'm going to go ahead and do that. And I do this not because now is this going to buy me a private yacht? It's not going to buy me a yacht. It's not going to buy me a private jet. But that's not why I'm doing this. At my stage in my life as a father of 5 kids, I want the freedom of time. That's what I'm after. And if I can, like I said, put $360 in my pocket after 11 minutes, that's actually really, really crazy when you stop and think about it. I mean, would you ever go up to somebody that makes, let's just call it $50 an hour and say, I made $360 at 11 minutes. I'm not very happy about it. They would look at you, rightfully so, as the biggest greedy savage on the planet. So when you put things in the right perspective and frame it, like I said, it's very hard to get, ungrateful. It's very hard to get pretty greedy. So is this as big as what other people are doing? No. And for those people, fantastic. I'm happy for them, assuming they're actually real, but that's a whole nother video. But even if they are real, good. I'm happy for them. But like I said, for me, I'm happy and I'm very grateful if I can put in, $360 for 11 minutes. So like I said, I'm going to go ahead and wrap things up. And if you enjoy these videos, hit that like button, leave a simple comment down below. Everybody, thanks for watching. Take care. Have a good one. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.